Hey guys, welcome. So recently for Thanksgiving, we made a trip from Boston to DC where we have some family. And of course, we took the Cybertruck. And overall, it was awesome experience. Now, while I was driving, one of the things I realized that I was using a lot more is the storage space near the door. And usually in the door, I keep a water bottle, uh, a hat so that I don't get cold. Obviously, I don't have any insulation. And then there's this area in the front, which is kind of a little vacant spot. And I've been either using that to keep sanitizer, sometimes earpods, just miscellaneous stuff. And they either fall off or it's just so exposed that I always worry I'm going to lose it. Now, at the same time, I was worried that if I put a storage space there, some kind of a box, it would hinder with the look of the door. I keep my leg right against the door while driving, my left leg, so it might be in the way. And after a little bit of searching, I found these perfect boxes from ElecFresh. And it comes in a pair, and they kind of snap into that hollow space at the door, and they're just perfect. So the containers come in a round box like this. It's a really nice quality plastic actually, and it's got a little mat that goes on the floor of this thing, and you just basically pop these in the door. One of the cool things I realized is this has got a nice Cybertruck like pattern cut into it, and it's clicky. So that's really nice. There are a couple of them, so there's a pair of them for each side. I guess there's another one here. Yep, it's the exact same thing. So let's go and see how it fits on the truck. Now these boxes are actually pretty cool. It's got these clips that's going to latch onto the edge over there. So let's put it on and see how it looks. Wow, this looks really nice. As you can see, that hollow space is gone now, and it even has a Cybertruck design, and it's a clicky, and you can definitely use this space a lot better than before. And obviously it comes in a pair, so I have a second one here that I'm going to stick on that other side, and that space all of a sudden becomes a lot more usable with this thing in there compared to what it was before or what it is right now. Now, ElecFresh actually sent this unit to me. It comes in a pair. Um, I'm going to leave a discount code in the description. So if you find this useful, give it a shot. And they're actually pretty inexpensive. So for the utility it provides, I think it's worth the price. That's it. So hopefully you like the containers and use my discount code. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.